After personally encountering persistent visual problems in Minecraft and extensively testing various solutions, I've gathered multiple effective methods to resolve these issues, and I am excited to share them with you now. This video will guide you to fix shaders broken and visual texture glitch in Minecraft, restoring your game's pristine look. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial. Old drivers often struggle to handle new game updates or shader packs, leading to visual errors. Keeping them current ensures your computer's graphics card speaks the right language to render everything perfectly. Next, sometimes the problem lies with the shaders or Optifine itself. Corrupted files or a bad installation can cause all sorts of visual chaos. A fresh install cleans out any bad data, letting your shaders work smoothly again. Then, diving into Minecraft's video settings can offer a quick fix. Some settings, like fast render, might clash with certain shaders, causing textures to break. Adjusting these helps the game process visuals without conflict. Finally, verifying your game files is like giving Minecraft a health check. Missing or damaged game files can cause weird visual bugs. This process repairs the game, making sure all its parts are exactly where they should be for proper rendering.